These AR apps help you virtually place a new TV at home before buying. Envision TV AR, free for iOS and Android. Sony's Envision TV AR app, available on iOS and Android in the US, uses AR technology for virtual Sony TV visualization in homes, offering a seamless experience with direct purchase links to various models. TV Size Calculator, free for iOS. TV Size Calculator is a completely free iOS application that utilizes augmented reality technology to help users visualize television sizes ranging from 24 to 105 inches. It performs optimally in environments with textures, ensuring accurate and precise virtual screen placement. Curry's Point and Place, free for Android. Curry's Point and Place app allows UK users to virtually place electronics like TVs, sound systems, and appliances in their homes, offering a wide product range for visualizing purchases. Point and Place, free for iOS and Android. Point and Place is a free augmented reality app for iOS and Android, showcasing electronics, furniture, and more. It requires manual adjustment for wall placement, supporting only flat surfaces initially. Best Buy Augmented Reality Viewer, free for iOS and Android. Best Buy's free AR app for iOS and Android lets users preview TVs in their space, accurately displaying virtual screens over existing devices, enhancing purchase decisions with realistic visualizations.